Okay, welcome back guys. We have another question in today's video and we have x plus y equals to 2 in our first equation, and in second equation we have x times y is equal to 4. And let's see how we can solve this. So we need to go either find x based on y or y based on x and plug in the second equation. That's usually the common approach in this kind of question. So let's just consider the first one, our x. We're going to bring the y on the other side of the equation and our x will be 2 minus y, and here we're going to plug in that x in the second equation, so x will be 2 minus y times y is equal to 4. So on the left side we will have 2y minus y squared equal to 4, and we're going to subtract 4 on each side of the equation. We'll have minus y squared plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So we can go either with this one or multiply the whole equation by minus 1. So let's do that. Y squared minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. And now we have a simple quadratic equation that we need to find the answer, and we have this general format for quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And if you want to find the answer, x will be minus b plus or minus c squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And let's do the same thing in here. So if we know our a is 1, our b is minus 2, and our c is 4. And if we want to solve this, we will have our y is equal to minus b, which is 2, plus or minus the square root of discriminant, which is b squared. So 4 minus 4 times 1 times 4. It seems that our discriminant is negative, which means we have complex answers divided by 2a, and a is 2. So we'll have 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16, which is minus 12 divided by 2. So it seems our y will be, we know y squared will be minus 1. So we'll have 2 plus or minus 12 I squared divided by 2, and the imaginary numbers that we're going to get will be 2 plus or minus. And what we can do for 12, we can do 4 times 3 times I squared. Then we can take out 4 and I squared from the equation, divided by 2a, which is 2. So we'll have 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 will be 2, and I squared will come out as I3 divided by 2, and there we go. Our y seems to be, we'll have 2y, and it will be 1 plus or minus I square root of 3. So that's our answer for y, but we called our x in the first step 2 minus y, so we have 2 answers for y, which means we have 2 answers for x2. So we have 2 answers for this question. Let's go with our y1, which let's call it 1 plus I square root of 3. And if that's the case, our x will be 2 minus y minus 1 minus, and our x in here will be 1 minus I square root of 3. That's one pair of the answer. So we want to show it like that. The first pair is called x1 and y1. They will be 1 minus I square root of 3, and we called our y plus. So that's our first answer. And in the second y, let's call it 1 minus I. And in that case, our x will be 2 minus y, which is 2 minus 1 plus. So we'll be getting here our x this time will be 1 plus I square root of 3. And if we want to show the second answer, so our x this time will be 1 plus I square root of 3, and our y2 will be 1 minus I square root of 3, and that would be our second answer. And the final answer for this question. Hope this one was helpful. Let me know what's your approach in this kind of question. If you have a better way to solve it, let's just exchange the information in the comment section. We're going to learn from each other. So I'll see you guys in the next video with another interesting question. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next one.